This is another holy shit moment for the internet. Google has been secretly cooking this mysterious editing model called Nano Banana. Nano Banana has taken the internet by storm, but no one knew who was behind it, and now it's no longer a mystery. Nano Banana is capable of doing image editing to an insane level, and it's ranked on the LM Arena as the #1 image editing, and it's for a reason. It is capable of modifying facial expression, doing virtual try-on with just combining an image of a model, a scene, and the outfit, and you have a total photo shoot in just a few seconds. And you could do more. You can actually modify the lighting or angles of an existing scene just by prompting.
I'm going to show you some of the examples I've done previously, and then I'm going to go like how to prompt it, how to use the tool overall. So in this case, I just ask it to make the shirt black. I did it. And then I ask it to go from this shorts to just add a long white pants, and it did it, and maintain consistency like in an incredible way. It does the same for lighting. So if you have an image that is a kind of dark, it can modify the lighting a little bit to come to something that you're comfortable with. And for product photo shoots, it does work really good too, because you can now just add the original image of your product and choose a character or choose a model that you already have on your device, and actually it's going to come up and pretty much do that. So as you can see, this one is like really straightforward. I wrote add this into the hands of Michael Jackson holding and displaying the skincare product, and there you go. You have the product like right there in your face. And you remember that card that we used in the previous image example that I increased the lighting. So what I did next is now gave me the view from above the car in 4K drone shot of this car. And it went and it actually did it. And it considered the aspect that the lighting can be coming from one direction, but if you're from upper, it's gonna show a different lighting and it's gonna have like a different shadow. Like, how crazy is this? Like, imagine if you wanted to do something like this, you would actually have to have the existing photo or do an actual drone shot to get a different variation of the image of the same car, for example. Or if you wanted to Photoshop this, it would have been an absolute nightmare. Anyways, it's also really incredible with text while maintaining the full consistency. Like, I asked it just to change the plain text to "Hey Jackson," and it went right there and modified it exactly as requested. It kept everything else the same and modified just what I requested. It's same for existing scenes. So like if you have an existing scene, this is from the movie John Wick, if you know. And I was like, what would he look like from a side profile? And that's literally what I wrote, side profile. Nothing more, nothing less. And it did come up with the full side profile in less than 10 seconds. So yeah, obviously people trolling on Elon Musk and Sam Altman because they're like besties, as you know, in the AI race. But nevertheless, it's just like you can take two people and just do the editing and maintaining consistency of their, like, tell me how is it possible that it creates the shirt, like keeps the exact outfit that they're both using, and I can't explain how crazy this is. So the same for product photo shoot. If you want to go just beyond like a display of a photo of a product in a photo, but actually goes and see how this would be, you can do that. So I did that with one of my favorite perfume, Bleu de Chanel, and just the male fashion model holding and spraying the perfume on himself. This on itself, you would have actually need a team of photographers to do it, and then take the photo, capture it like this. And now you just upload a photo of your product and you have the result immediately. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Just talking about it is cool, but I can actually show you practical examples. And when you go to Avocado AI, you're gonna see that there is two ways of actually doing it here on the platform. Nano Banana available on Avocado. So you can just come here to the edit tab and just choose. Nano Banana comes set by default or Gemini Flash. With Gemini Flash, you can add like 3 images so far, and Nano Banana you can add 2. What you can do here is just consider that we can add a reference image. So there's so many things that I wanted to test it out. So let's actually start with text. So let's see how good it can go with text with one reference image. So I want to say change the text air to, let's say, Jackson And let's see what exactly it's gonna do. It's gonna take a few seconds. But so far, as you see in the previous example, it took word like letter by letter, kept the entire consistency of the style, and didn't modify anything around. So let's see if that's gonna be the case. Yeah, let's just see. Voila, just it is super fast also. And there you go. You have a full-on one puzzle. I want to disable this for now. It's really frustrating me. Anyway, so as I did here, I asked the previous image to be the reference image that I added, and I just say, hey, just change the text Air to Jackson. Very fucking straightforward. And now let's do something a bit more challenging. Let's say, for example, no, actually, you remember that I said that this is one of the ways you can do it. The only thing that I'm still not really happy about is that these reference images, I have to maybe upload it again and again. So I think the edit feature here has a bit better understanding in how to handle this better. So what we can do is actually add a reference image here, and everything, it will maintain all of the history of the edits that we're doing. So let's try with this product here. So we uploaded this reference image, and let's say add the full outfit and accessories and footwear on Michael B. Jordan. And let's see how it's gonna go about this. So my main thing is just I wanted to put this entire outfit on Michael B. Jordan. You can actually add a other reference. So let me see here. I can actually choose the model that I want to wear this outfit. Let's actually test it out with John Wick, see if it's gonna go and do that. Okay, while we uploading the reference images, this look how crazy this is with the shirt and him just posing. Obviously it could have been a bit more descriptive of like the location that one's is let's just reset the size. So just for comparison, this was the outfit that I requested, and it's now on Michael B. Jordan. Like, that's actually freaking crazy. And let's try one more. So let's say I'm gonna now use, as we have two reference images, let's see, add the full outfit on the man and sitting on a BMW car. Okay, let's just keep it simple, but let's see if it's actually gonna take the both reference images. So one thing about this is that you can add one reference image and you can add another reference image, so that you can have two reference image, and this is kept in like stored, so you can come back and revisit this multiple times without having to upload over and over again. So these are all connected. So you remember the first image that we uploaded was the outfit, so it already keeps the contact. And what it does is I can now just come here and say this is the Michael B. Jordan version, and this is the John Wick version. Like, I'm just absolutely speechless. Like, anyways, this reference image, dark shots, upper view. This one from Skims. Actually, this I chose to write the prompt, change the text from Skims to avocado. Did that. I found this reference image and I asked it to change it to try avocado AI app, and I did it. Same with this and this, it did modify a bit, added John Travolta and Shia in the background.
You can actually just choose your image, one or multiple references, just write the prompt exactly how you imagine it, and voila, you're gonna have a crazy output in just a few seconds. Just go to avocadoai.co and the edit mode, and you can start creating with no limits. Give it a try and tell me what you think, and I see you in the next one.